Namaste, Swatima.
Namaste.
So the question this time we want to ask is, so you've known Ma for some time now, at least about 10, 15 years,
Yes.
give or take. So can you share amongst all the things that they have taught you or that you have learned from them, one or two things that stand out that you think will benefit us?
She runs me absolutely.
Okay.
She's in total control. She runs. I just wish and she runs the show. Like the best part is, when I do during the Navratra, the Samasti Puja and the Chandi Part. So every time I would ask Swamiji, so how will I do the puja? So he says that, so you do the Samasti, then you do the Chandi at one go. But I do it without drinking a sip of water. So I wake up at 4 a.m. I do not know how I do, but I do it perfectly. And then what happens is, I also try to synchronize it with the Aarti in Mata Vaishno Devi. So everything is done and then I give a timing to Ma. Take the puja by 9:45 a.m. I'm hungry and I want to take my tea now. You wouldn't believe by 9:43 a.m. the puja is complete with the Chandi. So this is every day I give her a timing. So one day this time during the Navratra, I forgot to give the time. It became 10:40. So I looked at Ma's picture. I said, so what is happening now? What is going on? Why can't you just stop this now? And then she says me, like, I'm feeling all this. She's telling me, today you didn't tell me the time. I said, oh, okay. So every day I have to tell the time. So every day when I 10 a.m. So my mother one day asked me, what is this every day after during the 10 a.m. 9:45 a.m. Now it is 7:45 a.m. I said, that's a different conversation happening. Forget it. Okay. So there is lot of conversations which happen between me and Ma. Lot of conversations. So which is not known to actually anybody. So it is even when I go to Mata Vaishno Devi, so it's lot of conversations happen. So it is like it's a beautiful conversation which happens.
Thank you. Anything you'd like to share with other devotees of Srima? Any advice you'd like to give?
So this is the best part of Ma. It is actually, I will tell you. So again, I'll talk about my mother only. So so I don't understand what is religiosity. I do not understand what is spirituality also. So I do not understand all these terminologies. Okay. It is a relationship between the hearts, and it is just I love her. The face itself. When I see, like, I'm like enamored. Totally enamored. So I do not know, like, what is. I do not know what is. I do not know if that is called devotion or anything, but I really don't know. I actually do not know. Okay, but I simply love her. It's like, I mean, I can't explain this also. It's like I'm thinking and she's spelling it out. It's like that. It was one occasion, I will tell you, that this is a kind of, I mean, I get very emotional if I say these things. So when Ma and me are chatting with each other, she's telling me something, I'm telling her something. Okay, so we both are sitting and we are actually chatting with each other. So that's the relationship I have with her.
Thank you, Swati. Jai Ma.
Jai.